Before we jump into the second round, let's get to know the right and wrong sides of our piece. The right side is the side that will be visible, it is the side that we're working on. And the wrong side is the opposite side. It is the inside of this toy. While crocheting, make sure to keep the right side facing you. When you're ready to pick up where you left off, just grab your piece with the loop on the same side as your hook hand, insert the hook, and you're all set to keep on crocheting. In addition, while you're crocheting, it's easy to forget which stitch or round you're at. So, I suggest having a pen and paper nearby to quickly jot it down. That way, you'll know right where to pick up if you have to step away. Alright, let's talk about increase. It means working 2 single stitches into the same stitch. In this round, we're going to work 6 increase stitches in each of the 6 stitches from the first round. Now let's work on the first increase. Pinch the bottom of that first stitch with your thumb and middle finger. Then insert the hook, yarn over, pulling the yarn through that stitch. Another yarn over, then complete the first single crochet stitch. Now, in that same stitch, work another single crochet stitch. If you're having trouble finding the stitch now, keep pinching here, and pull your hook. You see there's a tiny hole, that's where your hook just went in. Now the second single crochet. Okay, an increase stitch is done. Let's go ahead and place a stitch marker on the first stitch. Moving on, we're going to work the remaining 5 increase stitches into each of the remaining 5 stitches. However, you may have noticed that finding the hole to insert can be a bit challenging due to the nature of this plush yarn. I'll share a few handy techniques I often use to identify it. First up, Method 1. Find a little horizontal line, and stick your crochet hook straight down underneath the line, then insert it here. Now, Method 2. Each stitch has 2 loops. Let me mark them so you can see it more clearly. Okay, so this is the front loop, and this is the back loop, and each stitch are all connected one by one. So go ahead and find a start point, or an ending point of the front loop, here, and then you can insert the hook there. In addition, you can also find the hole by touching it. Now let's pinch both the front and back loops of a stitch. Can you feel how it kind of dips on the right side? Now let's give the stitch a little tug to the left, and you'll see a tiny hole pop up. That's where to insert the hook. Let's try another one. When you first start using these methods, your speed might be a bit slow, and it could feel a tad tricky. But as you get the hang of it, you'll be spotting it like second nature in no time. Now let's work on the second increase. 1 single crochet. Now the second one. Same here, if you can't find the hole you worked in just now, pinch here and pull your hook, then you will find it. Let's continue. Okay, the second increase is done. Let's move on. 3. Four. 5. 6. Okay, don't forget to count the total stitch. You should got 12 stitches of this round. Let's do it.